Today I'm going to show you how to create a GPA calculator in Google Sheets. The first thing that you're going to need to do is create a column where you list all of your classes from first to sixth period. Then you're going to need to put how many credits each class is worth. You typically will put 1 credit for classes that you're taking for the entire school year and put half a credit for classes that you are only taking for the semester. If you're not sure how many credits your classes are worth, please make sure to reference the course catalog. The next thing you're going to need to do is put your letter grade for each of your classes. You will need to go to your Canvas grades in order to access your current grade in your classes. Please make sure to put pluses or minuses next to the classes that apply. Then you will need to decide how many points each of your classes is worth. All you have to do is reference your letter grade. So for Spanish 3, I have a C, that's worth 2 points. For biology, I have a B, and that's worth 3 points. So I will input in each row the corresponding points that go with the corresponding letter grade. For the next part, you will need to multiply the grade points by the credits. This is pretty straightforward for most of your year-long classes. 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, so on and so forth. Where it's going to get tricky is when you are at your semester-long classes. In order to calculate this, you can simply press equals, click on the grade points, put in an asterisk for your multiplication sign, click on the credits, and press enter. Now that you've got your numbers, you're going to calculate your semester GPA. You're going to highlight the entire F column, go to Functions, Sum, and Enter. Same thing with the Credits column, highlight the entire column, go to Functions, press Sum, and then Enter. Now you have the total credits you're taking for the school year matched with the total grade points that you've earned. In order to calculate your semester GPA, you're going to press equals, click on that total in the F column, and divide that by that total in the credits column, and press enter. It's going to come up with a lot of numbers. If you would like to get rid of some of these numbers, you can go up to the decimals, place increase, decrease. You're going to want to decrease, and I would leave at least 2 decimal places. Then you're going to go to Powerschool and log in. Where your schedule lives in Powerschool, you're going to scroll down, and that's where you'll see your cumulative GPA from last year. You are going to copy that number and the 2 decimals that come after it in order to do your last calculation. So I'm going to say that my GPA last year was 3.14. So in order to figure out how my semester GPA is currently going to affect my cumulative GPA, I am going to take these 2 numbers, go up to my functions feature again, and instead of doing sum, I'm going to press average. Enter, and now I can see what my GPA will look like. I think this is a great tool to kind of help you decide what classes you want to get your grades up in to improve your GPA, and what classes you need to make sure that you keep your GPA up in. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.